Are you thinking of dropping your own NFT collection and you're having trouble getting started and it's just not going well? Then watch out for these 5 mistakes that are made on many projects. Hi and welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm OneStone and one of the devs and admins of the project Projects. But now, let's start with our video about 5 mistakes that you can make with your NFT collection. Promotions from promoters. Once you have started your project and taken your first steps in the world of NFTs, you will quickly be faced with filling your empty Discord server and gaining your first followers on Twitter. One mistake that many people tend to make is to think that you have to get help from larger projects or sites. You will quickly notice that you will be contacted on Twitter by promoters who will tell you that they love your project and your idea. Some of these are people with millions of followers who have thousands of likes and retweets on every post. But don't be fooled by these numbers. In almost every case, you will only experience that these sites want to sell you promotions. The likes, comments and retweets you see are most likely not real and they will not boost you the way you think they will. You won't reach real customers and it will only waste your money in most cases. The golden rule is that you shouldn't rely on promoters who have built their reach by only promoting other projects. Let's move on to the second point, which is directly related to the first one. Targeting the wrong audiences. The right marketing strategy and advertisement is as important for your project as your art. If you build your community only with certain types of users, you will also suffer the consequences. Let me give you 2 examples. Giveaways and invite challenges may give you an initial push, but they also bring in a lot of fake followers. These users are usually not really interested in your art if they are real at all, and they will show little to no activity. These numbers can be misleading and will not get you anywhere in selling your NFTs. You should also be careful with too many resellers and people who aren't interested in your art at all. Most NFT buyers want to make a profit, which is completely normal. But if you build your community only with those, then you will most likely see strong price drops on the aftermarket, as not everyone is patient enough with your future plans and want to risk losing their money. Try to find a balance between all types of members and if possible focus your marketing on the most appropriate market niche for you. For example, if you have NFTs that are generated by AI or based on mathematics as in our project Projects, then try to address people who are interested in mathematics, science or technology. Before we move to the third part, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel if you wish more content from us. We are also happy about every comment, so let's discuss about the points right under the video. 2 big promises. Probably the biggest problem of all NFT projects currently is to stand out from the mass of projects. But that doesn't mean you have to exaggerate. There are projects which claim giving away prizes like Lamborghinis or iPhones. But exactly some of those have done a rug pull in the past. At the same time, you should stand out from the standard phrases that every project is using. Community wallets, DAOs and airdrops are absolutely standard and are appearing in every roadmap. It's not easy, but you need to come up with something creative. The art itself is just often not argument enough to purchase your NFTs, especially with the amount of projects releasing every day. Try to find use cases for your NFTs. There are more possibilities than using them only as profile pictures. But be careful with goals you might not be able to fulfill yourself, especially if it's about technical challenges like the development of a game. Mistake number 4 is about getting members and losing them again. Just as important as getting new members is keeping them. NFT projects are largely based on trust. Anyone can write a packed roadmap, but can they stick to it? You should never forget that on the other side there are people who pay hundreds of dollars for your art without knowing you. So you should not only focus on promotion, but also on activities and involvements with the community. If new users see that there's little or no activity in your project, they will leave as fast as they came. This does not only mean messages in general chats, but also announcements from your side. Try to build a bond with your community, build role concepts into your server, exclusive giveaways only for your members, activity challenges, a level system. Interaction is the key to success. Create a place where every user likes to come back. A small additional point is also the use of the right social channels. A Discord server and Twitter are a must-have for your project. Instagram and TikTok are more likely a burden to you and in most cases won't reach any serious interested people. Last but not least, we come to the most important point. No more fast money. There was a point when every Solana NFT collection went sold out, no matter what the roadmap said or how simple the website was. There was such more demand than supply, but we are far away from such times. The harsh reality is that almost anyone can start a candy machine and run their own project. NFTs are no longer fast money, but you shouldn't still underestimate the amount of work in technology and marketing. Look for skilled developers for your website or test often enough in DevNet and even Mainnet. You are handling a lot of money from customers. You cannot make any mistakes. Marketing should be seen as a parallel process and should start as soon as possible to share every milestone with your community. Projects that try to get their marketing up in 1 or 2 weeks will quickly realize how hard it is to keep deadlines to get people into the server or to be taken seriously by interested buyers. Now we are at the end of the video. I hope you liked it. If you are interested in NFTs in general or in our project Stractors, then join our Discord server, you can find the link in the description, and stay tuned for more content. So, thank you for watching and see you guys.